I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So it is certainly the season for celebrating and decorating, you guys, and I cannot wait to get this series started. Now, every single year for the past couple of years, I've kicked off my holiday season by decorating my friend Keelan Walker's studio for the Christmas holidays. So I don't know if you guys remember I don't even know if I did a video on the first time I decorated his studio, but y'all, it was so pitiful. It was a shame before the Lord. Like, it was pitiful. And to be able to see both of our growth throughout the years and, you know, the progress throughout the years is so rewarding. So today I'm going to share with you guys the first set we decorated together for this holiday. We normally start really early, but this year, because of COVID, we started really early decorating for Christmas because we wanted to be able to get all of his clients in and just kind of keep everyone spaced out and safe and all of that good stuff and sanitize in between. So we definitely started really early this year. So without any further ado, we're gonna hop into this theme. Like, can you guys dig this farmhouse theme? Like, I'm not a farmhouse girl, but when I saw the theme mixing, I think this is more like farmhouse glam because of all the pieces we were able to mix and match. It turned out absolutely amazing. So let me take you guys on a tour. I hope you're inspired by all of the Christmas decor. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments below. If you're interested in a certain Christmas theme like Melanie, I want to see a glam Christmas or a white Christmas or a snowman Christmas or a Dollar Tree Christmas or whatever kind of Christmas decor ideas you have, please let me know and I will try to bring some inspirational content to you guys. Of course, we're going to do it Lux for Less, okay? So Lux for Less doesn't mean Lux for cheap. It just means less than what you would typically pay because we love for things to look luxurious and amazing over here. We will incorporate some Dollar Tree when possible, but we just like for things to last and look super elegant and super gorgeous. So if you're that type of gal or guy, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for all of the amazing content that we will have coming your way. Okay, so when we started with this tree, I wanted to keep it very simple in terms of, like, I didn't do ribbon. I wanted it to look, you know, feel very rustic, very farmhouse. And to me, unless you do like a buffalo check ribbon or maybe a natural type ribbon, then it doesn't really feel that way, right? So I decided to just do kind of the buffalo check ornaments, some of the, what do you call it?
I can't think of what they call it.
Oh gosh.
What is it? It's not tin.
Galvanized.
Galvanized, yep.
Yep. So I decided to also do some galvanized ornaments. You see some of the cotton balls here. So I just felt like, you know, that really made it feel very farmhouse chic, very rustic. These little bells from Walmart. Oops. They're from Walmart, okay? Give me a break. This is Lux for Less. So these little bells from Walmart were just $1.97 or 97 cents. I love the fact that they jingle and that the bell looks rustic and rusty, I guess, like the big bell that you see here. So I love that. I did mix some of that with some ornaments from At Home. You guys, At Home is everything with the Christmas ornaments. So these were from At Home. The red and white striped ones are from At Home. The little white jingle bells were also from At Home. So I think just kind of combining them all together created this really fun rustic look. This is actually a garland that I ran kind of throughout the tree diagonally just to add a little bit of interest there, and voila, here's your farmhouse tree. So around the tree we added some grapevine Christmas boxes. You can put lights in these to kind of light them up, and then it's like a little Santa list we used last year, and I got that from like a little store. I love it because it looks like a little kid's handwriting. And then over here is a ottoman that I got from Kirkland's, and I love the fact that it's a storage ottoman, so I have a tree skirt in there, and also I like to keep stockings and stuff like that in there as well. So over here I decided this is actually a backdrop. Doesn't it look amazing? So this is a backdrop and I love the wooden doors and the two just simple wreaths on the farmhouse doors. I just thought that looked absolutely amazing, and of course it saves space in his studio. And then just to add a little dimension, we did a frosted tree here, and just kind of put like a lantern and the cone buffalo check Christmas tree, and have like this little Merry Christmas. You can't see this, but sometimes he moves the sofa to take photos of like the clients on the floor. So I like to have things on the floor for the kids. So this little Christmas bag, like gift bag here, and a no L sign also in the back. So when he removes this gorgeous sofa, you can see those things. So this sofa is like a green velvet. I love it because it's tufted. And then I just kind of put this little cute Joy buffalo check pillow with the like natural kind of fabric there. And I also love the thread trim around it. Just looks so amazing. I got this from Home Goods last year, and I think it was, I still have the sticker, you guys, it was $16.99. I don't intend on taking it back. I just never took it off. I like to know how much I spent on stuff. So yeah, that looks absolutely amazing. So that is the tour.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tour. Let me know your favorite part. Was it the tree? Was it the ornaments? Maybe the backdrop? Or was it the amazing tufted velvet sofa? It was absolutely amazing, if I must say so myself. So let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye-bye.